Rosie and welcome to my fitness channel. Today's workout is going to be a full-on body workout. Here we go.
There's always someone with more money, someone who goes to better parties in a fast car. I wanna be someone with no worries, not just someone that doesn't show it and keeps up a facade. It used to get me down, but now I know what's real. I'm living my best life. I don't know where it's taking me, and that's fine. At least it's what I make it, so I don't mind. Oh no, no I don't mind. Oh no, 'cause nobody ever makes it out alive. So I'm living my best life. Gotta get up and live my life. Keep my head up and living it right. Gotta get up and live my life. I put myself before my dollars, 'cause if I fake it till I make it, all I made is a front. Ain't gonna waste time on all that faking, no. Being me is easier than being something I'm not. It used to get me down, but now I know what's real. I'm living my best life. I don't know where it's taking me, and that's fine. At least it's what I make it, so I don't mind. Oh no, no I don't mind. Oh no, 'cause nobody ever makes it out alive. So I'm living my best life. I don't know where it's taking me, and that's fine. At least it's where I make it, so I don't mind. Oh no, no I don't mind. Oh no, 'cause nobody ever makes it out alive. So I'm living my best life.
Thank you for checking out my workout. I hope you felt the burn. Don't forget to come back every week for new fitness routines. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.